Hey everyone, this is Akash and welcome to PySpark Learning Hub. Today we are diving into a PySpark problem, but not just any problem, the one that will challenge your thinking and sharpen your skills. And in this video, I will walk you through my approach step by step so you can learn, practice, and grow. Solving a PySpark problem follows a simple process where we will try to understand and discuss the problem, and then we will try to identify the input and expected output, and then we will try to write a PySpark code. All right, let's see today's problem statement. So today's problem statement is rank score problem. So what we have to do is we have to write a PySpark code to rank scores. If there is a tie between two scores, both should have the same ranking. Note that after a tie, the next number or the next ranking number should not be the next consecutive, should be the next consecutive integer value. That means what we have to do is we have to rank a score. We do have a score as a data frame, we have to rank it. If there is a tie, for example 10-10, okay, so there is a tie. So what we have to do is we have to assign the same ranking for those candidates. And if after consecutive thing, what it is saying is note that after a tie, the next ranking what we have to do is it should be the next consecutive number. That means we don't have to skip the numbers. Correct? I think we have understood the problem. In other words, there should not be no holes between ranks. That means we should not skip the ranking. In short terms, we should not skip the ranking, and if there is a tie, we have to assign the same ranking. Okay, so we have understood the problem statement. Let us see the input and expected output. I have already given this particular notebook in the GitHub location. If you want, you can just visit and you can find the particular notebook. This is 36, the rank score problem. So let us see the input and expected output. Okay, so what we have is we have ID, score. If you see, we have few score which is same, right? For example, 4 is something we have same, 3.65 is something we have same. Now what we have to do is we have to give a new rank as a new column and assign a ranking based on scores. Now if you see here the expected output, 4 is duplicate, right? So we have to assign the same ranking. And the next ranking should not be 3, it should be 2. That means we should not skip the numbers, right? So if you see, it is not skipping the number. And the next value also, we have duplicate, which is 3.65. What we have to do is we have to assign the same ranking, so on and so forth, right? So we have got the input and expected order output also. What we have to do is we have to use Windows function here. Okay, we have to use Windows function, and that too we have to use dense rank. Okay, dense rank is something which will assign same ranking if we have duplicate value. Rank also does the same thing, but dense rank will not skip the numbers. Okay, so rank will skip the number. I will show you difference between rank and dense rank in this particular video. Dense rank, the only difference between rank and dense rank is rank will skip the number. In this scenario, if you use rank function, it will give 3 here, and here it will give 4, and here it will give 5. Okay, but in a dense rank we will not skip the number. If you see here, this is the perfect example of dense rank. Okay, so let us see. While solving, I will show you the difference also. You will get to know what is the exact difference between rank and dense rank. All right, before I start step 3, I want you all to pause this video and try to solve it. If you did not get the solution also, it is fine, but it is important to give a try. Remember, practice is the only way to learn PySpark. Alright, let's see today's how we can solve this particular problem. Now to apply a Windows function, there are various way. Correct. Firstly, we have to import the Windows function, right? So from PySpark.sql dot Windows, we have to import the Windows. Correct. Not Windows spec. Only window we have to import. And if you see, this is small w and this is capital W. Okay. So just have a note. Now, how do we apply the Windows function? I've shown you multiple times how we apply the Windows function. In this case, we have to apply the rank function, right? So df dot, we have to create the new column, right? So with column, the new column will be ranking, correct? And we have to apply the dense rank, right? See, it is giving dense rank, and over we have to apply over what? Over windows of, okay, there are two ways usually people, this particular section of programming we call it as a windows spec. Okay, so usually people what they do in writing the code is windows spec they write in separate line. Okay, so let me show you that way of writing the style also. Okay, let me first show how we can solve this problem. Windows dot order by, we don't have to perform here any partition because there is no group by, because rank, when it comes to rank, order by is something which is important. In this case we have to apply order by score, right? Order by score we have to apply, and that too we have to apply with the help of DESC, correct? So how do we apply that thing? Df of, okay, df of score is something important, right? Df of score dot desc, correct? Here we have to apply dot desc. Let us see first whether we are getting as expected or not. See, we are getting rank here. Now if I just show you Windows spec, okay, the way in few program you might see like this also. What they do is they will write this Windows spec variable, okay, and they will try to apply this variable here. This is like this also you can apply. If you see, we have achieved the expected output. We have used dense rank in this case. Let me show you the rank function also. Okay, this is dense rank. Okay, this is dense rank. Now let me try to create one more function and show you the rank also. Okay, if you use rank, what will happen? If you use rank, what will happen is here 1 1. It will assign do, if the values are duplicate, it will assign same ranking. But the next ranking will be skipped number. Okay. So let us see. If you see here, this is for dense rank. After that, it is not skipping the number. But here it is skipping the number. After 1 1, it is 3. After 3, we have 4. But since we have here duplicate ranking, it is skipping the next number. Correct? So I hope you have understood what is the difference between ranking and dense rank. In for sure, if you are a fresher, they will ask this question: what is the difference between ranking and dense rank? If you are experienced, also 3 4 years, they will ask this question in few of the interview scenarios. So this is how we have to solve the PySpark problem. There is one more way how we can solve this particular problem with the help of spark.sql, right? What we do is we register the data frame as a temporary view. Okay, create or replace temporary view and call it as a score. Okay, and we will write a query, correct? Let me write the query here, right? The query will be something like this, right? Select id, score, and dense rank. Dense rank over, correct, order by CORE score DSC as rank, correct, from this particular score, right? Let me make it as triple quote, right? And let me execute spark.sql and provide this query. Let us see. I think I have to do a show here. See, we can solve the same question with the help of spark.sql also. The same code is written in data frame API. There is nothing much difference. Logically, it remains the same. So I hope you have got how to solve this particular problem. I would like to hear how you have solved this problem. If you have some different approach, do drop your approach in the comment below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who is on their PySpark journey. If you have enjoyed this video and want to practice more, make sure to check out my YouTube channel for plenty of similar challenges. If you enjoyed the problem and want to practice more also, you can also visit my GitHub repository where I have shared a wide range of problems. The link I have given in the notebook. For the latest update, tutorials, and tips, don't forget to follow me on LinkedIn. Let's stay connected and keep learning together. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, happy coding. Thank you.